Ladies and gentlemen, you're watching Captain Jones and God fighting each other to rescue what they wanted Captain Valier in his chopper that has been gunned down, gunned down. They're out to rescue Captain Valier now, deeply wounded in the chopper area that has been gunned down and crushed at Lugo Region. Black put down in hit by the river and rescued out to rescue Captain Valier. Hurry, rescue team.
Dia sudah mau kamera kan? Tunggu mana? Bumba.
Cross Legion and Gas are fighting each other to rescue Captain Valier in the chopper that has been gunned down by the river. They're outmaneuvering each other now. Cross Legion on the blue side and Gas on the right side.
Okay.
Captain Valier in the chopper.
Ito na dito. What's up? Video ni. Pero ano pala ito? Wala.
Scar and Star. Oh, crack. Scar and Star to the entry area after your chrono. Russ and John, please prepare. Russ at the blue side, John at Sunriser red side. Hitman, please. Get cleared out of the inside to the quarantine area.